Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Deepseek and creating a new project. Pick the canvas size and model version now because those choices affect output detail. Next, set core parameters like seed for reproducibility, guidance scale to balance creativity versus prompt fidelity, and a 0. 5.1. 0 denoise value for subtle variation. While entering your initial prompt, describe subject, mood, and composition concisely. This is how you steer the generator, and why early parameter choices save time on later iterations. Once initial renders appear, refine by layering prompts. State the base subject, add modifiers for lighting and mood, then append negative prompts to remove artifacts. Make sure to use reference images and mask edits for targeted changes. That's how you preserve what's working while correcting faults. Then tweak iterations, upscaling, and detail enhancement options after low-res previews to save credits. As you iterate, compare variations side by side and lock good parameters, so subsequent generations converge toward your intended result. You finish by applying the final upscales and color adjustments, then export as PNG or TIFF depending on your workflow. Save the seed and preset so you can reproduce or batch variations later. Once done, review for small fixes. Use localized inpainting or a quick pass through detail enhancement. If results look off, try a simple troubleshooting sequence. Lower guidance scale to reduce hallucinations, increase iterations for clarity, or expand negative prompts to eliminate unwanted elements. This sequence solves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.